Now, to make this blur, zoom effect in Premiere Pro, go to the Effects panel, search Gaussian Blur, click and drag the effect to your video clip in the timeline. Now, with the clip selected, go to Effects Controls, then move the playhead where you want to start the zoom effect in keyframe scale and blurriness. Then move the playhead where you want to be zoomed in, and then change the scale value until you're happy with how it looks. Click on the circle next to blurriness to create a keyframe, and then zoom into the keyframes and position your playhead in between them. Then change the blurriness value to 20. Make this move by highlighting all keyframes, then right-click, go to Ease In, then do the same thing and ease out. Now click on the next video to recreate some insane effects in Premiere Pro. Like and follow for more quick tech hacks.